Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going to build the Countach today. And I've got a little help. The Countach today, and as gave you a quick look, I will show you to that. That is a list of all the screws that we will be using and are going to be using in the build of the Countach. That is just a little help because they're if you get the bags of screws, as you can see right there, it's got a letter on it, but in a build guide it's saying just the numbers: 2.3 by 6 millimeters, silver colored, or washer, or anything like that. So you're just getting the numbers as you see on that camera there, and I will show you. And that is not working. It's a search and rescue. Okay, let's get into this. And I've got that little screw guide. You can get that if you want. I can send it to you. Just let me know in the comment. I'll show it to you. So today we're using 27, 28, 29 and 30. And what they're wanting to do in 28, we got this. So we got the pedal mechanism, and they've made that for us already. And there are 2 switches on that, and we need to check those switches. So we got that little thing as well, which is a test board. We got that, and from the from 27 we will be getting that battery pack, which I have right here. And let's just test those. And they're asking us to cut those backs off, but I'm happy with it being like it is. Just make sure you take it off neatly. All right, there we go. Well, as you saw there, that light went on. So we take this switch off, and then we push that one in, and then it should be that one. I think that one. This one is just a switch, so we check that one, and this time it's that one. So we can take them all out. We've tested that, and we can put the testing board and that to the side, because we've done that, we've tested them, and now we are going to the console. We're going to put this back into its bag, because we're not doing anything with it at the moment. That out, because we're working right here. And I'm going to put on an extra light. Just a second. All right, we've got the middle console right there, and we've got some parts from 27 and 28. Let's get 27 out, because that's the one we want to use. There's a lot of little stuff here. This seatbelt stuff we're not using at the moment, so I'm putting it to the side. But I know we're using those and the ones I'm holding here. And we're starting with the rounded one. If you look closely, you can see that there's a large and a small hole. That makes you know which way it should go in. Then we're putting this thing in, and as well here you can see which way it should be in, because there's a large and a small hole. Then we've got the gear shifter, and I need to have a good look there. Reverse is right there. Now, always with these kind of little things, be bloody careful. And we've got this, which is a footrest, and I think it goes into the little hole that you can see. That you can, oh god, that you can see right there. And there's another hole on that other side as well, which it comes through. And that is what you should have. It comes through right there on that side, as you can see. And 29 is using these parts. So let's get them out. There we go. This is already as it should be. So I'm happy with that. They're asking us to put that in water and stretch it, but it seems okay to me. Those are neatly in there as well. Those are neatly in there as well. I'm happy. I'm not going to do anything about it. And these stickers I'm going to put on later. So if I if it doesn't work properly, I can always immerse them into water. All right. I don't think it matters which seat we're taking, and we're going to put them onto those little pegs. But it comes out straight away, both of them. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on that. Okay. Then we're going to take that one out. Let me put that to the side. Put that in like so. And the seat belts are going to be hooked right here. But we're going to put some, this must be E screws. 2.3.6, I've got the right screw. So 2 C screws in there, that's the 2.3.6. And then we're going to hook those top parts of the seat belt on. Okay, there we go. Stickers are on as well. Sorry, but my throat is still not helping me. There we go. Then we've got these mats in to put in. These ones are not working because they're rounded. And this one goes into this position. There you are. Mats are both in. Although I'm not very happy with how they're hooked in, these seat belts here, because they're not staying in. As you can see, these are the parts. Those are the Q screws, most probably. Okay, we've got those Q screws to go in. So, as I said, these are the first 3 stages that we've done. We've put on those parts, then we've put the chairs and the seat belts in, we've put the floor mats in, we've put that rest in that you see on that camera right there now. And this is what we have right there. You can see it. So saying thank you very much for joining me again. Join me next time when I do some more of this beautiful Lamborghini Countach. And check out the rest of my channel, because there are quite a few beautiful builds, as you can see in the background there. I'm looking at that one, but right there. I've got another Porsche right there. I wanted to do the kit, but I was missing parts in the box they sent me, so I've asked them to send that to me now. I was all the way up to 11, as you can see right there, with the that one. And then the DeLorean that's there, that is completely finished, but I'm still waiting for a few parts for the deluxe one, and I've got the Miura down there and the Lancia and the Millennium Falcon down there as well. So join me on one of those or this one, and hope to see you next time. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and as I said, join me next time on any of my other builds. Thank you, and bye bye.